What is architecture to civil engineering? Industrial design is to all other engineering. So there is some element of aesthetics, some element of ergonomics, which is about the comfort of using a product, and the technology, a field connecting these three: ergonomics, aesthetics, and the technology.
Design is something where you can explore your creative boundaries to your fullest, and it's very challenging, and to uptake challenges like that would probably make more sense to me as a person.
We sensitize the students to look at the living environment, to understand and identify the problems. The students later creates concepts using various creative idea generation techniques and tools for making solutions. These solutions are then made into physical prototypes, which they tested with the end users for checking the usefulness or effectiveness of the idea.
I'm Dr. Salim Ahmed, presently the Dean of VIT School of Design. In short, it is known as VSign. We have currently BDes Industrial Design, MDes Industrial Design, BSc Visual Communication, and BSc Multimedia.
Design and research goes hand in hand. Here in VSign, we train students with various professional skills which will help them to perform better. The future of design is all about integrated approach which leads them to engage in various transdisciplinary projects.
All our students are made to study what is going to be the future of design. In our daily life, we are now encountering products which are all IoT enabled. All our students will have competency in designing those products, and that means subjects required to make them competent in such fields. They are all being taught as various courses. They are all made as core courses in this program.
And another important thing about VIT is the credit system here. They actually give you full freedom in actually selecting which type of course you want. Like me being a design student, if I'm actually interested in a biology related or a biotech related course, I could actually take that.
So like every semester I feel like there is some component of another discipline which is included in our course.
Our course is mostly practical. There is theory in it, but then we have more lab subjects than theory subjects, so that's fun.
We have Professor Peer Sadiq from NTU Singapore. He is associated with the design school in NTU, and he is our adjunct professor. Every year he comes and teaches a course to our students here in VIT Vellore. Likewise, we have Professor Mugandi Rita, the past president of World Design Organization. He is also our adjunct professor. Currently, he is teaching students on sustainable product design.
My name is Professor Marcelo Schellini. I was born in Brazil and with Italian background. And I'm a professional photographer, also a graphic design, and I'm a researcher on visual arts.
We do something known as a J component, and that is we make our own stuff. It's like a project we do, and we display it in front of all our classmates, and we review each other's work. So it's like a really nice way of showing our works and getting feedback right on the spot from the people we know. And I did a 2D animation short film for that. It was a 3-minute short film. The best part from it was the review from our peers.
I joined recently VSign, and I was very excited because I noticed that in VSign, design education is integrating the studies of art and culture. What I try to do also is to inspire them, and in order that they can not only developing the technical skills, but also bringing the all expression and the what is particular from Indian culture and Indianness.
So academic wise, I think our teachers are planning very well.
We have state-of-the-art laboratory studio for training designers. For industrial design, we have laboratories like ergonomic labs, smart product design lab, ID innovation lab, Protex lab. All these labs are required for developing models, simulating designs, and also analyzing.
We also go creatively in the studio lab, which is a completely green studio. It's a green screen that we do our visual effects, and there are even we try some stunts like rope removal and everything. It's like a Hollywood set.
The campus is so vast, honestly. So for photography classes, we don't need any other place outside VIT to go and take pictures. VIT, it has everything, buildings, nature and everything. There are a lot of trees around campus. And
the Cintiq, a tool used for digital sketching, all our students are given exposure from the very first semester. And so they will be able to express their design ideas in a very nice manner.
Like the classroom we have separate desks and drawers for each of the students. So like you can spend the whole day there working.
Like I have my internship. We have 2 internships, both are compulsory. They are, first one is on our own, we can decide a place, and it's a 1-month internship. And the second one is a 6-month internship that they provide us with. And I've seen a lot of our seniors going and working internship and getting a job through it. I'm looking forward for my internship. I'm going to Kerala for my internship this month.
Our seniors worked in this movie called Jungle Book. It is a Hollywood movie and it won so many Oscars. So it is a very big opportunity, and the scope is very vast for this. I hope to see myself somewhere in that place after my graduation. Magix
is an annual event that we conduct as part of our multimedia school, in which we invite people from the industry, film industry and television industry to be available with our students for 3 days, conducting various technical events and assessing our students' ability in those areas.
Actually, IDSA is an international association, and IDSA VIT is the only chapter of IDSA in India. We put up seminars or workshops or any events related to design. We have Designathon. It's a 24-hour design challenge.
I feel like this place, especially with all its club activities and all that, gives you that motivation key. Okay, this is your outlet for doing something different. This is where you can work hard and make your own benchmark.
One of the advantages of doing a program in a place like a VIT, where this multicultural environment will make the student grow in an all-round manner. Here they are exposed to students with varied background, like different engineering discipline, the management, arts, science. All these things help them grow in all-round manner. In VIT campus, there are students from 50 different countries, which is very unique. And if they want to make friends with people from different countries, it's a possibility. And they all come with a different cultural background. If they are doing a design for one particular country and they want to know about their culture, the views, we have people readily available on campus, which is an advantage.
At VSign, we enable design students to bring ideas to reality using latest quick manufacturing technology. When we talk of industrial design, there are many products around us. In product design, the students need to translate their ideas from sketches to physical products. To achieve this purpose at VSign, we teach them to make models and prototypes in our well-equipped state-of-the-art labs. Design
is an act of problem solving, bringing order to a situation which is chaotic, which is once the design is achieved, there is always happiness. It is a profession. People will enjoy spending their life in.
I see the students, they sharing a very sheer passion and learning and developing their skills. And I see that VSign has provided to the students the best of the atmosphere and the environment and the facilities and lab.
Infrastructure was the most infrastructure, facilities, hostels, and like the two fests that we had taken, this Gravitas and Riviera.
When you think about the mess food or the infrastructure or the kind of facilities that we have, it's a lot more comforting.
You guys, you have a great culture, very visual culture, that once it's joined with technical knowledge and Indian culture background, so I'm sure that in a few years we have a very good generation of photographers and artists, visual artists here in India.